when we got here, we were working on that figure right here, which is this woman here. So these white bars across this design represent the negative space in the wall. Mm-hmm. So what we're doing, you'll see every one of these figures is divided and paint the wall for us. So we had the black wall to start on as soon as we came out here. And then when we were in the studio, we really only concentrated on the figure itself. So some of the sheets, like for instance this sheet right here, you can see how there was a lot of blank space. We would work on painting in that arm, and then we would just put a halo, and this black background is called umbrella black. So we would just put in like a loose halo of umbrella black right around there. That way when we get out to the site here, we could just trim real loosely on there and just stick it fast to the wall, and it would just blend right in. So we... So this figure right here, sections of this figure. I believe this is level 1 part of her. So right here, I believe you're looking at this sheet right here. So you see all this, we didn't even bother to waste all the paint to cover it because it was just going to get trimmed anyhow. So we just left it in. You can see about putting the loose halo in. So when we go up and install, we left it a full sheet for measurement purposes when we get on the wall, so we know exactly where the sheet fits. So up the back of it, we can just make sure it fits, trim off all that white, all that excess, and that way we're just left adhering what needs to be adhered. Or I shouldn't say we. The Mural Arts program had, and I think the PPA was actually involved in this, had surveyors come out and build a digital model of the wall, and that's where we got all these measurements. Then JJ digitally put every single sheet of digital parachute cloth right where he wanted it, figured out exactly where it was going to sit, and then in a program, I think he just did it in Photoshop actually, figured out the exact number of inches between one sheet to the next. As a actual printout photo reference for us. That's what we used when we were painting the pieces.